Hey everybody, this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today you're in for a treat because I'm not going to review any of these wines. I'm doing another product review. Alright, so like I said, today I'm doing another product review. This is called the Stubby Strip, and they claim it is perfect for barbecues, parties, events, poolside, beach, picnics, sports, boats, camping, and fishing. Let's take a look at what it is. So it's basically kind of like a wine purse in a way. It has Velcro. It unfolds, and you can hold up to 4 bottles of wine, which I just so conveniently have 4 bottles right here. It's made of like a neoprene, so if it gets wet, you can wash it. It'll dry really quickly. I'm not really good at loading this thing at this angle, so you'll just have to beg my pardon. All right, so I got them all in here, so they just kind of all roll into one. So this is a cool thing about it is they do fit very snugly. These things aren't going to be coming out unless you kind of tilt them at a weird angle. But it'll get better in a second. And the reason why is because you can use this to role play as a wino Chewbacca. I'm kidding. But you know what you can do is you can decide to roll these guys up. So from here, you just kind of stick these together. And now you have your wine rocket launcher. You have your wine carrier. You can just carry it like this. You can sling the strap over, and you can be a guy who absolutely has no problem whatsoever because you have 4 bottles of wine in a conveniently carryable format. So that's nice. Say you don't have 3 bottles, you don't have 4 bottles, you only have 1 bottle. So you have 1 wine bottle. So you just do the same thing, you just kind of pop it in, and you're still good to carry it. So 1 bottle, 2 bottles, it doesn't matter how many bottles you want to put in here, up to 4, they will fit. So it's a really kind of interesting little contraption. And I like the Stubby Strip, so I'm gonna give you a good. I like you. I've actually used you a couple times. It's interesting when you go into like Total Wine or your grocery store, something like that, and you walk in and you just bust it out and you load it up, and then you kind of roll it up and stick it in the cart, and people are like, whoa, and they kind of look at it and it's really kind of, now I'm thinking about it, verifying that I may have too much wine that I buy when I go to the store. Anyway, so this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you like today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you tried the Stubby Strip Vino? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime. In the meantime, I'm off. Alright, so the Stubby Strip was a pretty cool product, but you know what else is really cool? Subscribing to my channel. It gives you more content to watch on YouTube. It gives me a reason to make more content on YouTube. But you know what else you can do? You can watch this video right here because YouTube says you'll like it.